Sabi ni Kayden, it is the institutionalization of the administrative capacity for collective purposes that serves as the framework of public societies committed, may commitment, committed in the promotion of public welfare. Okay? Pag sinabi natin institutionalization of administrative capacities, okay, these are the legal frameworks already that were being formulated by our policy creators, di ba? This word, because we've come into this stage, itong institutionalization of administrative capacity, ibig sabihin yan, meron na tayong mga polisiyang sinusunod. Policies were already ready for the institutionalization of administrative capacities. Okay? Meron na tayong mga batas, meron na tayong mga polisiya, meron na tayong procedures, meron na tayong circulars that are being used for the institutionalization of administrative capacity for collective purposes. When we say administrative capacity for collective purposes, anong ibig sabihin yan? The collaboration of different government entities. Kasi public administration tayo, so we are into that section.